Everyone is fighting battles we do not see. We often judge people based on what we see on the surface. A person may appear happy, successful, strong, or confident, yet behind that smile may be a struggles that no one else knows about. The truth is that every person is fighting battles that others may never have fully understand. Some battles are physical while others are emotional, spiritual, or financial. Because their struggles are often hidden. It is important to treat others with kindness and compassion. Many people carry burden silently. A student may be struggling with anxiety while trying to achieve good grades. A parent or the breadwinner may be worried about providing for the family. A worker may be battling stress, loneliness, or personal problems while still showing up every day with a smile. Yung iba naman gusto mag-work, hindi na talaga kaya ng katawan. Some people are grieving the loss of a loved one while others are fighting illnesses, fears, or disappointments that remain unseen by the world. The challenge is that we rarely know the full story of another person's life. When someone seems distant, angry, or unkind, there may be pain. There may be pain behind their behavior. This does not excuse harmful actions, but it reminds us not to be quick to judge. A simple act of kindness, a listening ear, or a word of encouragement can make a significant difference in someone's life. From a spiritual perspective, every human being faces struggles as fast of our life's journey. Difficulties help shape our character, deepen our faith, and teach us compassion. When we recognize that everyone is carrying a burden, we become more patient, understanding, and loving toward one another. Every person is fighting battles that others may not know or understand. Since we cannot see every struggle, we should choose kindness over judgment and compassion over criticism. A little understanding can go a long way, and sometimes the greatest gift we can give another person is simply treating them with respect, empathy, and love.